This tutorial will show you everything you need to know to set up and use Classroom by Google in your classroom. The first thing you need to know is that you have to have a Google for Education account. These are usually set up through your school. Right now, I'm logged into my personal account. So to change that, up here is my email address. I'm going to click on it, and you can either add an account by logging into your classroom account or clicking on one that's already available. I'm going to go ahead and click on my education account right here, and that will open up Google Classroom. As soon as it opens, you're on a home screen, and what you'll see here is a hamburger, these 3 lines. You can click on it and it'll give you all sorts of things, and we'll get to each one of those. You also have your education account address here, a plus sign, and then any class that you've created up to this point. If you haven't created any classes, this area here will just be a blank space. The first thing you need to know is how to create a classroom. To create a classroom, you come up here to the plus sign and click on it. You have 2 choices. You can join a class or create a class. As a teacher, you're going to probably be creating a lot of classes. If you are joining another teacher's class to see what they're doing, you'll click Join a Class, and we'll show you that in the student view a little later on. Go ahead and click Create a Class, and a pop-up screen will appear. And you're going to name your class. I like to name it with the title of my class, which is English 3. And then you can also put a section. If you teach multiple periods or multiple sections of the same class, you can title that as well to make things a little easier to find. And I'm going to just put a 1 here. This is my English 3 period 1 class, and click Create. Right away, you'll be taken to the screen where everything happens. You create your assignments, you can communicate with students. But for now, I'm going to take you back with the little hamburger back to the home screen, so you can see that English 3 section 1 has popped up right here on the screen. Now, sometimes maybe you've made a mistake, maybe you don't teach that class anymore and you want to get rid of something. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of a class right away. Up until about a month ago, once you deleted a class, it was gone forever. Google's changed that, and now you can archive your classes. So if you teach a semester-long class, or maybe you teach a spring semester class and you won't teach it again until the next spring, you can archive these and reuse assignments. Once again, cutting down on all the work you have to do. To archive a class, you need to be on your home screen, and you choose the class that you'd like to archive. That means just file it away somewhere. It doesn't disappear. It's just away for a little while. You come up here to the 3 dots or the ice cream cone. Click, and you have 2 choices. You can rename your class. Maybe you don't like the title, you give it a new title, or you can archive. So I'm going to click on Archive, and here you get a pop-up screen. It tells you that you won't be able to make any changes, and you can review this in Archive Classes in the Classroom menu. So I'm going to click on Archive, and I'll show you where it goes in just a second. Still on our home screen, back up here at the hamburger are the 3 lines. All the way down here at the bottom, if you click on Archived Classes, you'll see there's our class that we archived. If you click on the 3 dots or the ice cream cone and click Restore, it'll give you a pop-up screen and it will tell you that now you'll be able to interact with this class again, and it'll show on your home. So I'm going to go ahead and restore this one and show you that it'll take you right back to this is where it all happens. But I'm going to go back to my home using the hamburger, and there it is. It has popped right back up into my home screen.